is lesson 11. And in this lesson, we will be multiplying a whole number times a decimal. And we are going to use the area model, which I think you used a little bit last year, but we're going to be using it with decimals this year. One nice thing about it, when you first start out multiplying with decimals, it's relatively simple if you can remember what to do with your decimal. Okay, let's review. This says 1 and 234 thousandths. Now think about how many thousandths are in 1 and 234 thousandths. And here is a question. How much is 1,000 thousandths? 1,000 thousandths is the same as one whole. So 1,234 thousandths is the same as 1 and 234 thousandths. Okay, say this number in unit form, 65 and 247 thousandths. Take out the ones. How many thousandths do you have left? The next one, 76 and 358 thousandths. So take out the tens, which is 7 tens, and you should have 6,358 thousandths left. Take out the tenths, oops, and you'll have 763 tenths and 58 thousandths left. Take out the hundredths, you have 7,635 hundredths and 8 thousandths. Okay, we're going to practice adding in unit form without lining it up. So I'm going to give you little hints with the arrow to kind of help you. So it says 7,258 thousandths plus 1,000 would be 7,259 thousandths. Okay, how do I write that in standard form? Okay, the next problem, 7 ones and 258 thousandths plus 3 hundredths. So I will add a 3 to the hundredths place. So it will be 7, 2, 5 plus 3 is 8, and then the last 8 remains the same. 7 ones and 258 thousandths plus 4 tenths. So I will add a 4 to the tenths place. So 2 plus 4 is 6, and then 58 after that. Okay, 6 ones and 453 thousandths plus 4 hundredths. So I will add a 4 to the hundredths place. So it will be 6, 4, 5 plus 4 is 9, and the 3 on the end. Okay, let's keep going. 2 ones and 37 thousandths. Whoops. There we go. Plus 5 tenths. So I will add a 5 to the tenths place. This one's pretty simple. 5 plus 0 is 5. And all the other digits stay the same. 6 ones and 35 hundredths plus 7 thousandths. So I will add a 7 to the thousandths place. 6 and 357 thousandths. Okay, same thing, but we're subtracting. So 4 ones, 8 hundredths minus 2 ones. So write the subtraction problem, or the subtraction sentence. So 4 ones and 8 hundredths. I'm going to go ahead and write that now. Minus 2 ones. So 4 minus 2 is how many ones? 2. And how many hundredths do we still have? 8. So written in standard form, 2 and 8 hundredths. Okay, so this is kind of tricky if you don't write it in standard form to start with. So 9 tenths and 7 thousandths. So that looks like this. 9 tenths and 7 thousandths minus 4 thousandths. Okay, so we are just subtracting the thousandths place. 7 minus 4. And everything else stays the same. 7 minus 4 is 3. 4 ones, 582 thousandths minus 3 hundredths. So we are subtracting a 3 in the hundredths place. So the answer will be 4 and 552 thousandths, because 8 minus 3 is 5. 9 ones, 708 thousandths minus 4 tenths. Okay, so we will subtract a 4 from the tenths place. 7 minus 4 is 3. So it will be 9308. 4 ones and 73 thousandths. Whoops. Minus 4 hundredths. So we will subtract a 4 from the hundredths place. 7 minus 4 is 3. So it will be 4.033. Okay. Application problem. Looks pretty short. Okay, here's what it says. After school, Marcus ran 3 2/10 kilometers, and Cindy ran 1 9/500 kilometers. Who ran farther? How much farther? Let's show it with a tape diagram. So Marcus ran 3 2/10 kilometers. And Cindy ran 1 9/500 kilometers. Who ran farther? How much farther? When it says how much, you remember what operation you're doing? Is that addition or subtraction? By the way, we're trying to figure out this right here. How much farther did Marcus run than Cindy? So I'm going to write 3 2/10 minus 1 9/500. Fill in with a 0. This is just like yesterday's lesson. 10 minus 5 is 5. 11 minus 9 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer to the problem is Marcus ran 1 2/25 kilometers farther than